I'm not gonna be able to stop laughing. I have to pee. Stop. We gotta start. I just went. We gotta start. When I close my eyes, I see the green light. Okay. Hey. Hey guys, it's a procedure. Did my pants just rip? What's up, guys? Or hey, guys. Like, hey, guys. It's Karinna and we're BTS. Hey, guys. It's Simplicity. I'm Jocelyn. I'm Karinna, and today we are bringing you guys a brand new video, and it's gonna be an unboxing video for the BTS Map of the Soul tour merch that we are not going to be able to wear this year because freaking Corona could get her gas out of here. Yeah. Okay. We gonna start. We're gonna start with the smaller boxes. Look, this is all I got. Like, she has 4. I have 4. I have 2. No, but her what? Her box is really freaking heavy. Like, she only got 2, but they're heavier than mine. Like, mine are all light, but it's built like me. Okay, honestly, we were on FaceTime. We were trying to buy everything. It was so hectic. Like, everything, as soon as we pressed it, sold out. Like, it would be in our cart and it'd be like, sorry, you can't purchase because it's sold out. It was so dope. It was selling out really fast. So thanks, Army. Thank you. Actually, later on, it was like 10 minutes after, no, not even 10 minutes. It was like way later. Right. I called her or I texted her and I was like, yo, like some of the stuff popped back up. Oh yeah. Like, it just randomly, like everything was like restocked for some reason. Anyway, but yeah, so that's, I don't even remember what I got. I don't. Everything was just complicated, chaotic, and now we're here and we're gonna open them. Yeah, so smaller boxes. Yeah. Mine's kind of already open because, like, bro, I don't know what's been up with the freaking postman people. They've been destroying all these boxes. BTS like opened my stuff or something. I don't know, but it's kind of open already. So let me have the key then. Okay. Does it work? No. Try the other one. I got it. No, wait, why is it mine doing? I can literally just I feel something soft. Okay, hold on. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! I can't open this. Stop. I literally can't see anything. It's black. Yours? I can see in it, but like it's black. There's nothing in there. Like, I don't see anything. It's with. Okay, we're gonna have to. Oh! I think I saw what it was. Okay, I'm mad at you. No, I'm mad. Why? I remember you got something that I couldn't get. No! This is another story time. No, okay, this is not right. When it restocked, I told her, bro, everything's back in. Stupid. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. She was gonna get Yoongi. She was gonna get Yoongi. My advice is take her. As soon as she bought hers. This was the only one not sold out. No, literally. I had to get it. No, it was in my cart. As soon as we were on FaceTime again, as soon as she said, put it or buy, whatever, purchase, it said, oh, this is sold out. She literally took the last one to the splash. I probably took flashback to Red Velvet. Anyway, it's that Taeyeon premium photo. Can you see this? What is this? It's a little keychain of the army ball. The army, the light stick. Oh shoot, actually? Look at that! Look at his neck. Actually, this was, I'm not gonna open this because it was a birthday present I gave to my mom, but it barely came in. Her birthday was in April. So, this is for my mom. Okay, I'm not gonna open it. I almost did. Out of energy, anxiety, adrenaline. Can you stop? It's not fair. It's not fair. He's so whenever you go in front of me in the merchandise line when we're there, you're I'm gonna give you money. And if it's the last one, I expect you to buy it for me with my money. Was that all that was in there? Yeah, it was just, literally that's all that was in the small one. I'm telling you, they just separated everything. They put everything in yours. But that's weird. Do yours. Oh, there's something else in here? Yeah. Oh. Here we go. Everyone is. I know for him. I know what mine is. Okay, I just looked in here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ah! Hey, did we get the same thing? It's mine. I don't know why I see a tube in there. Stop. It's the city t-shirt version. That's what mine is. Dallas. Hey, if y'all are going to Dallas, or y'all still are. We are still going. Whenever the tour dates come back, we are going to Dallas.
Whoa,
so if y'all want to meet us there.
That's like,
Whoa, wait, I can, okay. Ooh, it is soft actually.
maybe I got it too big.
Medium? I got a medium.
I got a large, but they're kind of
Why do you do that, bro?
I'm fat.
She's literally, no, she lost a lot of pounds. Like a lot. And she still has the nerve to wear a large, girl. No.
It's called body dysmorphia.
Oh, look. This is the front. This is in the back it says map of the soul.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I didn't even see that on the picture, honestly. And it has this little tag thing too at the bottom.
Front.
Oh, it says BTS in the back too, at the top.
That's so cute. There it is. Oh wait, that's on the back.
I know, that's what I just said.
Oh.
But yeah,
That's so cute.
whenever the tour
It's
dates come back,
thick fabric.
just message us on our personal Instagrams or Twitters, or you can do the birthday account and we can meet up and like take pictures. Honestly, if we were to meet, like, we still haven't decided a name for you guys. We'll decide that later. But if we were to happen to meet you guys somewhere along the way, we'd be very excited.
Yes.
So yeah. Okay, that was our city shirt. Okay. That's it?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm sweating. This ring light gives me so much sweat.
For real. And then my lights on. Let's go. Open.
Yeah, it's a tube. I don't know what this tube is. No, because even I'm mad because I got a certain one, remember? What do you mean? The hoodie? Because I was like, I should have got the other one, the one that you got. Because I was like, oh, I wanted that Jungkook in that one picture.
Yeah.
But they
don't
don't
open.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Yay! I got it. Who is it again? Oh, it is a Tay keychain. I got a Taeyang keychain.
This is thick.
There you go. There you go, baby.
This is the zip up hoodie. It's
I
very
thought you
thick.
got the over hoodie. Did we get the same one? No, you got the one that had the...
Of the hoodie?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
we
had
got
the one that
different.
said Map of the Soul in the back, right?
Yeah.
And I just got the one that said
Honestly,
Tour.
I can't remember. These are so thick and it's so hot here in Texas, but you better catch me wearing this
Dude,
outside.
literally, I wear hoodies in the summer and I wear like tank tops in the freaking winter.
It's literally what outside right now. I'm wearing
It's like 100 and something.
I'm
for
wearing
sure.
the GOT7. Keep spinning
I was
the
wearing the
covers.
long sleeve.
And we just went out to go get boba and I went in this.
This is like a, what do you call this? I'll touch it, it feels soft. But it's like rubber. It's like a soft rubber thing.
This is thick.
And this is like a little tag thing. Like it's like a belt.
I should have gotten a medium. I did not know they were gonna
Well,
run
you
large.
didn't know you were gonna lose weight either.
I did not know they were gonna run large. Honestly, I like it oversized.
Wait, you got a large? Bro, we knew that the mediums were actually big from Speaker Cell, remember? Ooh,
But
I see my next one.
the shoelace things in the
straps?
hoodie.
The straps? Hoodie straps.
It says BTS Map of the Soul fur. Yeah. And then Map of the Soul.
What is this?
And then this at the bottom.
Oh!
Yo! Tour.
No, we did get the same one.
The zip up hoodies are the same.
I thought you got the
The
one that
hoodies
said
are different.
every...
That's a hoodie. This is a zip up.
I swear, I thought you got the hoodie.
I did get the hoodie.
No! This is a zip up.
This is the zip up.
Oh, you got the hoodie
I
and
got
the...
oh my god!
Wow. Oh yeah, one of my merch thingies isn't here. It's still in Korea. It's a raincoat, my favorite thing of all, and it's still in Korea. But okay, this is big. I didn't think it was gonna be that big.
What is it?
It's their spread photo.
Oh, the banner thing?
Yeah. But
Wait!
look at this. Look at this. This is the back. Stop. This is the back, right? This is the front. Catch me at the concert looking like, bro, we can be like, bro, this is cool. I honestly didn't think it was gonna be that big. I thought it was gonna be like those small banners, like that they hand out at the
It's
concerts.
like that one.
But yeah, I got this. Honestly, this was like
Okay,
a spur
it
of
gives
the.
you something to hang it up with. I literally poke holes through that.
Oh, honestly, I like when it comes with these little thingies because I don't like poking holes in my posters or anything. I like this. This was literally a spur of the moment. This because like everything was running out. I was like, I need to get something. So I got this. Go.
Hoodie. First one.
Freaking lucky! See the back. I love the back of that one.
I know, it's so...
Where did it go?
Didn't they not use Taehyung's writing?
No, but I think there was a callback. Remember, they had to add it on some of the merchandise, some of the clothes. I know there was on the joggers, and I think, oh, I don't think they have it on this one. It was on the joggers and the t-shirt.
That's messed up.
I don't know why though, like, what, they're all different. Anyway.
And then it has a little BTS logo on the left top corner.
That's the one I should have gotten. Is that the one Crystal got?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because I saw how thick hers was. Like, I was like, dang, that's gonna keep you warm.
Warm.
Okay. Honestly, this was another spur of the moment. It's that tour slogan thingy.
I have one more thing.
Really? That's it.
Because I didn't get like, I didn't even get a lot of little like knickknacks. Like the...
Oh, look at the back of it.
What is that?
It's just a, yeah, it's a little towel thingy. I literally don't know why I got this, but I did.
I didn't get stuff like that because I was like, oh, I'll get it at the tour.
See, but that's when I was like, my mindset was different from hers. Because I was like, what if there is no tour, or what if they change the merchandise by the time we get there? And like, none of this is, whatever, go.
I don't know, I was like, I'll just get the stuff I really
There was
want.
just so much to think about, and there was like so little time, so I just got whatever.
These are the joggers!
Oh, you got them too?
Yeah. We've been a match, bro. They might be a little big, but...
They're
elastic. They're elastic.
Okay, those are from my box.
Yo, these are nice.
We're gonna pull up at the hotel looking like.
It's mouth is so short, and then on the side, mouth with the hole.
Let's go.
Oh, on both sides, right here.
Is it soft on the inside? Let me see. I like it. Oh. Oh, look, here's mine. Ah! But you already showed your stuff that's the stuff that I have.
Well, you got a little order.
A little order. Okay. Here's my hoodie. So I got, no, is it?
Dang.
Is this yours? Did you get this one? Oh.
Dude, there's only one.
I'm
hoodie.
so confused. I got this one. It's the same as hers, her zip up one. They're all the same.
Zip ups are the same. There's no.
It's because I wanted this because the picture of Jungkook and Namjoon with the new light stick came out, and I was like, I have to get. I was being Jungkook biased that day, so I was like, no, I want the one Jungkook wore. So that's the one that I got. And yeah.
UPS really be messing up these boxes.
It's really like, it's not even a vinyl, it's like rubber. Like the little word thing. That's cool. I like the little straps for the most part. I didn't even know they were wearing the merch too. You're like, bro.
Yeah, I was literally like
strap thing.
Like the first video that came out when everybody started noticing that they're wearing merch.
Yeah. It's because of the lights. I got the joggers the same as Jocelyn. I forgot I got that. I forgot I got that.
See, I didn't get it because I know I'm dirty and I'll get it dirty.
See, my problem was I wanted to match Jimin too. Anyway, so here's the joggers. The same one. That's the butt, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the butt. These are these are the joggers. Okay. Last final thing of BTS merchandise Map of the Soul 7 tour. Wait, no, actually Map of the Soul tour.
Map of the Soul 7 tour. Map of the Soul tour.
I wanted to match Jimin, so here's my Jimin shirt.
Oh, I thought it was a long sleeve.
No, see, I was about to get both long sleeve and short sleeve because I couldn't decide. But yeah,
that's expensive.
This is cool.
I love that.
This is touch it, bro. It's like rubber too. But yeah, it's like a spray paint thing. Watch me at the actual concert. I'm gonna get the long sleeve.
Me too.
She knows how I am. I'm like at the Speak Yourself concert at Roseville, bro. I went up to the merchandise line for the second time. I was like, no, I need to find Taehyung and Namjoon as a little mini flag. I come back with a freaking Hoseok premium photo. I come back with a Jin and Hoseok mini flag. I literally say something, then I get the opposite. Like it's so I can't control myself.
Came back with two different members and two different things.
But yeah, so now that we are finished, the exciting part.
We're gonna show you what outfits look like on.
We're gonna model them for you guys.
We're gonna model the outfits for you.
4, 3, 2, 1, my God!
보고 싶다 이렇게 말하니까 더 보고 싶다